Hello, today I'm sharing 8 barrette hairstyles for wavy and curly hair. First up is a slim barrette hairstyle. This is a fun one because it's a progressive hairstyle, meaning it's 3 different hairstyles that I style in progression and choose any one that you prefer. The first style is going to be twisting back the top, I would say 1/4 of your hair. It could just be the bangs or a little bit, but it's definitely above the ear, just below the crown of your head. And as I twist back that first section, I put in a bobby pin to hold it in place while I'm twisting the other side. And then I'll have those twists touching together before I clip in the slim barrette. And I leave that bobby pin in. It's fine, it won't show, and it doesn't get in the way of the barrette either. So this is style 1, a beautiful, elegant half-up hairstyle. The next style is to add a matching barrette just about the thumb's width distance below to have that double barrette style. And I have these black barrettes to have a more minimalist, elegant look. So definitely you can play with the different colors, try to match your hair, or definitely play it up with a more colorful pattern. And the third hairstyle to finish this off is adding a low wrapped ponytail. So I just took a tiny hairband and then took a section of hair from underneath the pony, wrapped around, just tucked it right into that ponytail. And that's it. So style 1, 2, or 3 to let me know which one you liked best. This was a really fun style and adds a lot of choices and opportunity to make it your own. Next up are volume barrettes. This one is a classic half-up hairstyle, but the volume barrette really does have a completely different look because of the scale of the barrette, the pattern. I love this tortoise shell one. I found it at Nordstrom, and all of these barrettes can be found at francelux.com. I'll link all of that information down below. My favorite hair accessory shop. You're gonna love it. So check out this trick. I clipped it in. I did clip in some of the hair from underneath, but then I pulled the ends down as I lifted the barrette to tighten it closer to my head, and then I'm able to fluff up the roots area if I'd like to, but it gives me really, really good hold. The twist back hairstyle, one of my popular hairstyles on Pinterest. This time though, I'm going to style it with the volume barrettes. I'll link videos below where I've styled it with many other hair accessories. This is one of the most versatile hairstyles in my collection because it can go from casual to boss lady just by changing up your accessories. So you can see I just simply twisted each section back, left those 2 hair ties in, and just covered it over with a beautiful volume barrette. Now the style of the barrette obviously is going to change the complete personality of this look. So whether it's the plaid, the tortoise shell, and this red plaid, I love that. That's going to be my December go-to. Next up, oh my goodness, I fell in love with this mini bow barrette. Isn't it the cutest? I love it. And the color is Ivory Tokyo. So if you want to check that out, especially if you have dark brown hair like mine, it shows up so beautifully. The contrast is really, really sweet. And so I wanted to show you here a little bit more detail of how I care for my curls and just carefully separate them. I do take my time before I clip in the barrettes. I'm checking to make sure that I have some balance and volume on the sides of my hair. I might separate some curl clumps just to get the right, yes, so I keep deciding, is this part gonna go down? Is this part gonna go up? And then just fluff it into place. But I did want to show you that I do take some time in trying to figure out the proportion of the curls. So with this little bow, I tried it with first the bangs up, then a little bit further down at the crown of my head, and then a half up hairstyle. And so just with one little barrette, you can tweak the position of where you place it to create the volume and the look that you love the most. So let me know if you enjoyed this video, if you learned something new. I would love to know about it. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check me out on Instagram, where I post daily photos of hairstyles as well. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.